Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Glip screen recorder. You will click on settings. In this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this window, we'll search about Glip and you will click. In this page of app info, you click here on first stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then we'll update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us.